So, I discovered this platform called Yupp.ai, and the concept blew my mind. You literally get paid for telling AI which answers are better. I'm not exaggerating. I've made real money just sitting here comparing AI responses. Stick around because I'm showing you exactly how this works, and if it's actually worth your time. Yupp.ai is basically a platform where you can compare responses from over 500 AI models: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, you name it. Here's how it works. You ask a question, get 2 responses from different models, pick the one you like better, and explain why. Then boom, you get rewarded with credits. Those credits can be converted to real money. I've been using it for about 2 months now, and I've actually cashed out twice. When you sign up, you get 5,000 credits for free. That's about $5. Then every time you provide feedback, you get a digital scratch card with a random credit reward. I've seen anywhere from 0 to 250 credits per feedback. One regular prompt costs 50 credits, image generation costs 100 credits. So you're earning while spending. I've been pulling in around $15 to $30 a week, which isn't life-changing, but it's passive income for something I'd be doing anyway, testing AI models. Real talk, the payout system is legit. I've cashed out via PayPal and it hit my account within 24 hours. Minimum is 6,000 credits to withdraw. The interface is clean, no glitches, and the experience is genuinely fun with those scratch cards. But here's the catch. You're earning slowly. It takes consistency. I'm spending maybe 20 minutes a day on this. So $15 to $30 a week works out to roughly $2 to $4 per hour. It's more like a survey app than a real income stream. What I appreciate is the transparency. Your feedback actually helps train AI models better. They're being honest about what they're doing with your data, and you're compensated for it. Unlike some survey sites that ghost you, Yupp actually pays. The referral program also gives bonuses. 5,000 credits when someone signs up with your code. My honest take? Yupp.ai is legitimate, but manage your expectations. It's not a side hustle, it's passive income if you're already online. At $2 to $4 per hour, it's better than survey apps, but not something to quit your job for. If you're curious about AI and don't mind spending time testing models while earning a little cash, it's worth trying. The barrier to entry is 0 since you start with free credits. But if you're looking to make serious money, keep looking. If this helped, hit that like and subscribe for honest platform reviews. Drop a comment. Have you tried Yupp.ai? What's your experience? Thanks for watching.